Are you looking for a new way to grow your email list? Would you like an easy lead magnet that doesn't require you to sit down and write an entire ebook? Awesome, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to create your very own online quiz that will help you to attract your ideal client or customer. And it's super easy and it's free. So stick with me and I'll walk you through step by step. Hi, I'm Sarah Aderson of expandyourheart.org, and I teach you how to build an empire instead of a business. And I do that by showing you how to integrate spirituality and entrepreneurship. To create your own quiz as a lead magnet, go to tryinteract.com. And you'll come to this page, and once you do, you can go ahead and click on Make Your Own Quiz for free. After you do that, you'll set up your account and you will go to the dashboard. From here, you can either start from a quiz template or from scratch. So we'll do a template. You can scroll through and pick whichever one you like. We'll go to Business. Click on Go to Next Step, and then again you can scroll through and pick whichever one you choose. I'll pick this one, and then click on Use This Quiz, and go to Use This Template. And so we want to change the title, obviously, of this quiz, and also the cover image, and all the meat and potatoes of this we're going to change. So we'll start with the title. We'll just do what kind of spiritual entrepreneur. And then, so I like that. We will change this image, and you can just go ahead and bring in, a generic image. Go to pixabay.com or a couple of other sites, and I have done a video for you, which you can check out here, on how to find royalty-free images. But I've already created one, so we'll go to Replace Image, I'm sure. And then you could search for something here. Maybe we wanted spirit. Find it, and I could do. You can type it in, and these are all royalty-free images. So Unsplash is where these are coming from. And so if I saw something, I could just click on it, and it would put it in there. But I have already created one, so we'll go to Upload. And if you want to create one like in Canva or something like that, these are the dimensions: 900 pixels by 400 pixels. And I will go ahead and choose my file and upload it. And so just checking as far as the cropping, this looks fine. So let me try to make sure it's as centered as possible. That looks good. So do crop and save. And so that will be my image cover. And next, maybe a short description here. So just copy and paste in the description I have written here. And take assessment looks good, so I'll go ahead and keep that. After you create this, you'll want to come over here to your results and go ahead and change each of these titles. So this here, I went ahead and gave one of the results and changed it to leader. I also changed the image, or you could hide this image altogether, that's fine, or you can show it, and just like before, go ahead and choose your image or upload an image that you like. And then this was the pre-filled information, and you could just fill it in with whatever information you want here. We'll skip it for now. Just do that and go ahead and change these other ones. And if you want a call to action button, you can go ahead and do that as well, or you can hide it all together. Okay, so maybe you just want them to see the final image and not do anything else, or we can do show that, and then maybe you want them to schedule a free session with you. You could go ahead and type that in there right there. So wherever you want them to go to, go ahead and type in. So maybe I just want them to go ahead and go to my blog. We'll type that in there, and it will open in a new link. Open the link in a new tab and click save. And you can change it so that it matches your branding. Okay, we can change all of that right there. And then you'll just go through all of your results and change those. So again, just delete it, type in whatever you want here, change your image, and then change the description here, and then make sure you change your call to action button or hide it completely if you want to. Okay. After you enter in your results, you can then go to the questions section, and then you'll want to delete. If you don't have this many, then you can go ahead and remove the question. Okay. So depending on how many questions you have, let's see, this one is set up for 6, I believe. This one had 9 questions. So however many questions you have, just go ahead and put those in there. So I've already done this one. I went ahead and changed the header so it's I, and then the person will just click on which one best suits them. So after you have your answers in here, you can, if you wanted to use an image for your answers, you can click here and add that image there, or you can go to answer settings if multiple answers are okay for your results. But this is the most important part. Go to edit result correlations. And so you want to make sure that it matches up clearly, right? So if this one is supposed to go where? Here, messages, which one does that go to? Okay, and then you just click on it, which result best works for that result. And that's how your users will get their results. And then once you're done with everything, go ahead and click save. If you want to add a question, just simply click here, add another question, and then you can type in your question and your result selections. I'd really like to see what kind of quiz you come up with. So leave a comment below and let me know a link to your quiz, and I'll be sure to take it. And also in the description box, make sure you check out the quiz that we just created so you can find out which type you are, and that's going to be really interesting as well. So until next time, I invite you and I encourage you to take inspired action to create the life and empire that you desire. Take care.